Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to set up Abandonment Protector Shopify. To set up an abandonment protector for your Shopify store, you can use the built-in abandoned checkout automation. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to your apps section in Shopify. From here, click on All Recommended Apps and then head over to the Shopify App Store. Once you're there, simply search for Abandoned Cart Recovery. You'll see a list of available apps you can use. For this example, I'll use one called NG's Abandoned Cart Recovery. If you haven't installed it yet, click Install, and once it's added, click Open. The app will guide you through some steps. The general process is as follows. Go to your Shopify admin. Click on Orders, and then go to Abandoned Checkouts. Select an abandoned checkout order that you want to recover. On the top right, click More Actions and choose Create Draft Order. You can then apply a discount if you want, and click Create Draft Order. This way, you'll generate a draft order for the customer's abandoned checkout, which you can send to them and encourage them to complete their purchase. To put it simply, just head to your Shopify homepage, click on Orders, then go to Abandoned Checkouts, and from there, follow these steps to recover orders. And that's how you set up Abandonment Protector in Shopify. If you don't already have a Shopify store, you can use the link in the description to get started for just $1 for 3 months. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.